Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm outside drinking coffee. I'm on my patio slash oasis where my garden is, and I'm taking stock as far as what I need to do to start preparing for my winter garden. So I thought I would bring you along. Okay, we're looking at my okra plants. These are the dwarf longhorn, and for now I have no plans to remove them from this container, so they're going to stay. My pepper tower, no plans to remove anything from here either. This container also contains okra plants, and I'm probably going to remove these and repurpose the container for something else. I haven't decided what as of yet. All of my pots in my 5-gallon bucket container will be repurposed and used for something else. This one also has peppers and jalapeno peppers in it. As of now, because I haven't had any fruit from any of these, and as you can see, I have a few that are trying to form. I'm not sure if I'm going to remove these or not, and maybe when the weather cools, these will start producing. Here in Zone 10, Southwest Florida, it's hot, very hot this time of year, so peppers normally try to conserve themselves. They send all their energy to their roots as opposed to producing fruit. So hopefully when it cools down some, late September, early October, fruit will come and I won't have to repurpose this one. These are going to be repurposed, and more than likely they're probably going to have cabbages in it, either Napa cabbages or Danish ball cabbage. My other tower here, greenstalk tower, will have probably multiple types of lettuces in it. Maybe some carrots, maybe some beets, but it's going to be repurposed. This raised bed right now has purple hull peas in it. I'm going to let these run their course, and then I'm going to repurpose it for turnips. I have seeds that are laid on strips, so I'm just going to bury the strips into the soil and hopefully have a good harvest of turnips. This container down here right now is not being used. It has cardboard and brown wrapping paper over it to make sure everything growing in it pretty much dies. I'm going to repurpose it, loosen up the soil, amend it, and put carrots in it. Hopefully I can get some carrots. This won't be done until late October, early November. All of these will be coming out. Some of these are bell peppers and some are okra, and I'm not going to have any need for them, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put in them, if anything, as of now. My eggplants, as of now, I'm going to probably leave these as is. Hopefully they will produce. It's real hot, so I'm not sure if that's why I'm getting nothing but blooms, but last year around this time the same thing happened, and they tended to take off later on once it wasn't as hot, so I'm hoping the same thing will happen. This bed has peppers, green peppers in it. Have little buds, but again, no fruit, and that's probably due to the heat. Not sure what I'm going to actually do with this one. I'm probably going to design an outlay of my planting area on my computer and decide what I'm going to do. This bed will be repurposed. It will have right now probably some cabbages and maybe radishes in it. These 3 containers here, the large ones, will be repurposed and probably have some types of brassicas in them. So I got a lot of cleanup to do in the upcoming months, but one good thing about living in zone 10, it doesn't get cool until very much later, so I have time. Okay, as I said, I'm going to start my cool season crops. Try to put some that I have already planted starting in late September, early October. Last year around this time, relatively new and not really understanding the seasons correctly, I planted stuff earlier than what I should have rather. And needless to say, it was an abject failure. So this time around, I'm doing a little bit more and research and being careful as far as what I can plant early and what I can't. And hopefully everything will work out correctly. Later on in the season, fall/winter, I'll be planting things like choys and other items that maybe onions and garlic that will do better this time around than what occurred last year. I had success with brassicas, but other items not so much. So what are you guys planting for your fall and winter garden? Leave me a message or a comment below, and I'll be responding to you. What are some of your favorite crops to plant? Some of your more challenging ones? Let me know, and maybe we can help each other. I'm open to all kinds of help and suggestions to make my journey a success. Until next time, I want to thank you for watching this little video. If you haven't subscribed, by all means, please do so. If you don't subscribe, consider hitting the like button. If you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload, and you can share my content. I'm trying to grow my channel, and every little bit helps. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, remember, small space gardening can be done. And grow, grow, grow.